Action.
Hey everybody, it's Brantley again from Smart Furniture. I'm here today for a nice fireside unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing another product from our good friends at Humanscale. This is the Ballo Stool. As you can see right here, it says for Brantley. That's me. Alright, let's do it. Okay, but before we get started, listen. I'm going to tell you guys a couple of adjectives that come to my mind when I think of the Ballo Stool. Functional, versatile, portable, durable, and balanced. Just kidding. Those are actually on the box here. But we'll see. Okay, here we go. Let's see. It's going to be pretty simple because it's one product, no assembly. There should be a pump in here though, so you can adjust the firmness of the stool. Oh, wait, look at that. Pump. And some cool instructions. No assembly required. Cool. All right, so we've got a corrugated lid. Show you what this looks like. It's fairly lightweight. All right. More corrugated. Remember, our friends over at Humanscale have a mission of 100% sustainability, zero carbon footprint. So I think it's an amazing corporate agenda. And let's see. We have a bag inside. But that's it. No other fill. Let's see. Here comes the Ballo Stool. All right, so blue. I wasn't sure what color it was going to be in. Very nice. Here, let me move this out of the way. Okay, so here it is, completely unboxed. This is the Ballo Stool. A couple of neat things to take notice of. It's designed to support engaged core while working. So although this isn't like a task chair, this would be something you could use intermittently while you're working if you're seated all day, and that'll engage your core, which will alleviate low back issues. And also it's just good to be engaged. It's kind of fun to have movement in your work day. Another really neat thing about this stool is that it's super lightweight. So you can just grab it and move it from place to place. You'll notice it's got these convenient handles right here. Easy to pick up. Now this came fully inflated, so I'm not going to use the pump today, but as you can see, there is basically just like an athletic ball needle placement for your, this is just an athletic pump. Goes right in the top, just like you're pumping up a soccer ball. We'll try that for the next video. We're going to do a use case scenario video in about a week. I'm going to find out all the really fun things about this Ballo and how we can use it around the house here. And then I'll post that up. So make sure and check that out when you get a chance. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, Ballo Stool, Smart Furniture, our friends at Humanscale, make them, give them to us so we can sell them to you.